Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Pratiksha Agarwal and this is part 3 of solving coding decoding in less than a minute. Students, here in this video I've shared important tips about coding decoding, so stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's start the video. If algebra is coded as BNJIGXH, then what will be the code for geometry? So students, as I've told you in my previous videos, the approach which is applied to code the word algebra, the same approach will be applied to code the word geometry. So first we are going to learn how algebra is coded and then we'll solve it for geometry. So I have written the word algebra here. Also I have mentioned their position according to alphabetical series. Now I'm going to write the code which is given to us. Also, I have written their position also according to alphabetical series. Now, see, I have written here +1, +2, +3, +4. Why? I am going to explain right now. See, A is at the first position in the word algebra. So 1 is added to the position of A in the alphabetical series to get its code. That is 1 plus 1, 2. So the second position in the alphabetical series is of B. So A is coded as B. Now L is at the second position in the word algebra. So 2 is added to the position of L in the alphabetical series, that is 12 plus 2 comes to be 14th, and the 14th place in the alphabetical series is of N. So L is coded by N. Now G is at the third place in the word algebra. So 3 is added to the value or to the position of G in the alphabetical series, that is 7 plus 3 comes to be 10, and the 10th position in the alphabetical series is of J. So G is coded by J, and similar thing is applied to E, B, R and A. Now I hope you understood how this word algebra is coded. Now the same approach we are going to apply for the word geometry. So I have written here geometry. Also I have mentioned their position according to alphabetical series. Now we are going to code them. So again there's 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 for G. Why? Because G is at the first position in the word geometry, E is at the second position in the word geometry, O is at the third position in the word geometry, M is at the fourth position in word geometry, and so on with the rest of the alphabets. So 7 plus 1 8 means H will come here, 5 plus 2 7, 7 means G will come here, 15 plus 3 18 means R will come here, and so on. So we got the code as H G R Q J Z Y G. Also I have mentioned their position according to alphabetical series just to cross check. See, let's take 15 plus 3 was 18. So 18th position in the alphabetical series is of R. Okay, M 13 plus 4 17. So 17th position in the alphabetical series is of Q, and so on with the rest of the alphabet. So students, here I want to explain why the why the alphabet Y being at the 25th position, when 8 is added to it, it is coded as G. So see students, 25 plus 8 is equals to 33, but we have only 26 alphabets in the alphabetical series. So this plus 8 means the 8th alphabet which is ahead of alphabet Y. Okay, so this is how I am going to explain you. So see, after Z we are again going to start the alphabets with A. Okay, so Y at the first position. Now 8 alphabets ahead of Y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So eighth alphabet comes to be G, yet Y is coded as G. I hope you understood this. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, so we got our answer as option number D, as I've already told you. Now let's move on to the next question. So, if coding is coded as X, L, W, R, M, T, then what will be the code for decoding? Again, coding, the approach for coding, coding the word coding, the same approach will apply to code the word decoding. Okay, so let's see the first. See the letters here, the coding, the so here what is happening, that the reverse are used to code the word. So the reverse of C is X, reverse of O is L, reverse of D is W, reverse of I is R, reverse of N is M, and reverse of G is T. Reverse letters are used to code the word. So same approach we are going to apply it for the word decoding. Here also the reverse will be used. So reverse of D is W, reverse of E is V, C is X, O is L, D is W, I is R, N is M, and G is T. So we got our code as W, V, X, L, W, R, N, T. So our answer comes to be option number C. So now students, it's time for, I've told you the tips which I'm going to explain you. So let's see this. So let's see some. So first tip is ejoti. To locate any letter or any alphabet in the alphabetical series, you just have to learn these five alphabets and their places, which is ejoti. Now how this works? See, suppose you need to find out the position for G. Okay, like you need to find out the position of G. Now we all know alphabets from A to Z, so G is very closest to E. Okay, so we are going to write E, F, and G. So E, okay, then F, and now G. So E's position is 5, so it is 6th, and which means G's position is 7th. Right? So this is how we got the position of G. Now suppose we need to find out the position for S. Okay, simple. I am just saying just S. So now according to alphabetical series, S is very close to T, right? Which is S. S के बाद ही आता है T. Okay, so T is 20, so S is one letter behind T, so it should be 19. Right? So this is how this five letter word ejoti is going to help you to locate any alphabet in the alphabet series, and their position is also very easy: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like very easy. So very easy to locate the letters within the word ejoti. Okay, now let's see the next one. So students, here I have mentioned I have written the whole alphabetical series, but see in which but see the manner in which I have written this. See, I have written A to M here, and from after M I have written from bottom, like NOPQRST from bottom. Why? Because here not only I've mentioned their position, but also I've mentioned the reverse of each and every alphabet. The reverse of A is Z, the reverse of B is Y, the reverse of C is X. How this reverse works is, see, if we see the alphabet series from A to Z, okay, then the position of A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, right? Clear? This much is clear. Now, if we see the order of the alphabetical series from Z to A, matlab in reverse order, so the position of Z will be 1, Y will be 2, X will be 3. So their position is same. If we see it from the forward, A is at the first position, and from backward Z is at the first position. So they are reverse of each other. Similarly, B is at the second position in the forward direction, means from A to Z, and Y is at the second position if we see our alphabetical series or alphabetical table from Z to A, matlab Z, Y, X, W, V, U, like this. Okay, so Y is at the second position. So these are reverse of each other. Also, I have mentioned their position. So you can take the screenshot of this, learn this. It will be very helpful in coding decoding. Also, in the upcoming videos, I'll be coming with more types of coding decoding. So subscribe my channel, students. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, do comment me. I'll try to solve it. Bye bye.